in this video you can learn about dapsone. In this video we are discussing about the structure, chemical name, uses and brand names of dapsone. So let's see first what is a leprosy. Okay, so leprosy is an infectious disease caused by the acid fast bacillus which are known as Mycobacterium leprae. Okay, in India it is also known as Kushtrog or Maharog. So this is about the leprosy, and this leprosy, this disease is present in ancient times, but George Hansen in 1873 had discovered the causative agents for the leprosy, which is a Mycobacterium leprae, and hence this disease are called as Hansen disease. So this is also another name for the leprosy that you have to remember. Then look what are the antileprotic drugs. Okay, these are the drugs which are used to treat the leprosy. It is simple one. Then we'll see about the dapsone. Okay, so first dapsone is nothing but it is a sulfone. Okay, so sulfone is nothing but it will be having CS double bond O group connected with the 2R group. Okay, this is the structure of sulfone. You are having 2R group R dash, and you are having this sulfone group S double bond O. So this is a basic moiety present in the structure. That dapsone belongs to the sulfone category. That you have to remember. If you remember this sulfone group, so it is easy to draw the structure of dapsone or easy to remember the structure of dapsone. Okay, let's see what is the structure actually. So I have drawn here this is a sulfone group, and this dapsone having the 2 benzyl ring, 2 phenyl ring, phenyl which will be present on the benzene ring or benzene ring on the sulfone. That is a actual one. Okay, so this is nothing but the sulfone group. Then you are having the amino group present on this phenyl ring or the benzene ring. Okay, on this benzene ring you are having the NH2 group present on the specified positions. Okay, if you number the specified positions, so you can get the position of that amino group present in the dapsone. This dapsone is also known as the DDS. So DDS we will see later on. Then if you number the structure, then here you can number from the from this is sulfone group, you can start the numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 or -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, so if you see the structure, we have numbered the structure. If you number the structure, so you can get on 4th position you are having the amino group, on -4 position you are having the amino group, and this will be the benzene or phenyl group present in the structure. Okay, so if you number the structure, you can easily give the name to the structure. Okay, so if that you have to remember, first what you have to remember, it is a sulfone one. That structure, it is a sulfone one. Okay, so here is a sulfone structure. Then you have to identify other substituents present in the structure, so that will be the phenyl group. Okay, so there are 2 phenyl ring which is I have given is R phenyl and R dash phenyl. That you have to remember. So this name for this remaining structure which is a diphenyl sulfone. Then rest of things which is a amine group. Okay, so here is a amine group present on the 4th position and 4th dash position, so it will be the actual structure. So if you given the name that particular structure, it will be the 4 dash amino, 2 amino group present in the structure, so hence diamino diphenyl, because here is a 2 phenyl ring present or the benzene ring present in the structure, which will be the diphenyl, and this will be your sulfone. So hence it is a chemical name which is a 4,4-diaminophenyl, and it is also known as DDS because of DDS. Okay, what is name? DDS. Dapsone is also known as DDS sulfone. It is categorized under the sulfone. So this is a chemical name for the dapsone. You can also draw the structure from this chemical name. Just you have to draw the first sulfone group and then attach the 2 phenyl ring, and on phenyl ring you are having the 4th position on the amino group. So you can draw the easily structure from the chemical name. Then what are the uses of the Dapsone? Basically, this medication used to treat the certain type of the skin disorder, especially dermatitis herpetiformis. It is a skin infection or the skin disorder that you can treat with the Dapsone. That Dapsone is also useful in the treatment of the Hansen disease, which are known as the leprosy. Okay, so this Dapsone belongs to the class of drug which are known as the sulfone group. This Dapsone is also used in the work by the decreasing the swelling, means inflammation, to stop the growth of bacteria. It will be also useful in the decreasing the swelling as well as stop the growth of bacteria, means it will be act as an antibacterial also. So these are the uses of the Dapsone. Then we will see what are the famous brand names of Dapsone, which is a Dapsone tablet is available itself is brand name, which is a Dapsone, is produced by the well-known pharma company. Then Acnezone, it will be also used in the acne. For treatment of acne, you can use the Acnezone, and there are the various tablet and cream also present for this present about the Dapsone. So that you have to remember the famous brand names for the Dapsone. This is all about the Dapsone. Thank you for watching this video.